You have to practice to the speed and to the level where you start feeling tension and try to relax. So segment, 4 of this lesson is try to relax. Your left hand would be sort of thumb here, and I try to keep one finger hovering gently over every fret, even when I move my hand around, so that I get, to play these phrases relaxedly, I like to keep my hand, you move from the arm, you hover, just think relaxation. And please, if I may make a suggestion, learn to be friends with this finger, the pinky. Another impediment that I see is that if you play only with 3 fingers, you can, it's perfectly legal and everything, bend with fingers, which is a blues kind of way to do it. I think you're doing yourself a disservice because there's 4 fingers on this hand, and this is a great one. How do you do this? This is going to be a fun thing that I want to teach you. The way you do it, or the way I suggest doing it, is like this. I'm going to show you a pattern of numbers that I call the 1, 2, 3, 4s. Very, very powerful finger warm-up exercise, which I've used for years. I'm going to hold it up, and hopefully you can just take a screenshot. So this is I typed these for everybody. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4s. Oops, sorry. Where the heck? Oh, there it is. If you can take a screenshot of that. Okay, is that in there? All right. That looks like a lot of numbers. It's not. All it is start every combination of these 4 fingers, every combination of the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, going up from 1, 2, 1, 2 to 3 to 4, 3, 4, 3, without ever repeating. It never goes 2, 2 or 3, 3. So what that does for you is this. If I do it on one string, it goes 1, 2, like 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the first one. Then 1, 2, 1, 3. Then it goes 1, 2, 1, 4. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1. 1, 2, 4, 2. 1, 2, 4, 3. It never repeats, and it goes through every possible combination of the ways that you can move your fingers. So, the other day, I looked on some guitar tab site, and I saw this young guitarist who was like 14 or something playing You Enjoy Myself, and I wanted to write this. I'm so sorry I don't have the name at my fingertips right now, but this kid was killing it. It was so great. Oh, God, I was honored. And he was doing that bit, right? And I noticed when I was watching him that, of course, this is what happens. His hand was moving around. I wanted to climb through the screen and tell him about the 1, 2, 3, 4s. It's like, man, I can fix that so easily for you. What this does is you're relaxed. You put on some music, right? Put on some music. Look at that sheet and just memorize it. Memorize. Here's the Durger Band. Put on some fun music and start doing the 1, 2, 3, 4s. Now I go up and down the neck doing these patterns just to start the day and warm up, or before a show. So like 1. That's all 1, 2s. once you've memorized these numbers, it gives you this whole universe of warm-up things you can do. So oftentimes for my right hand, while my left hand is warming up, I divide rhythm like we did in the first lesson. So 1, that's pretty fast, but 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You get it? I'm dividing rhythm. I'm trying to keep my right hand relaxed. In the meantime, my hand is moving 1, 2, or you can go. Those are the 1, 2s. What's going to happen is eventually you're going to get to a number, 3, 2, 4, 1, or whatever. And your hand's going to go, ugh. Because certain muscle movements are unfamiliar. You've never moved your hand that way. This exhausts every possibility of muscle movement of your left hand, right? And when you get to that one where you see your hand, you can stand in front of the mirror if you want. Just keep it relaxed. So you're like, let's do the 2s. Like 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. I usually do a couple of them at least, like on the left hand. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1. That might be one where 2, 1, 3, 4, whatever. You'll find one where you get hung up. At that point, relax. Groove it. Work on that one for a bit. Hang out there a little longer. 3, 2, 4, 1. These are all 3, 2, 4, 1. You hear me dividing rhythm? This is 3, 2, 4, 1. Triplets. 16th. Now slow down. 3, 2, 4, 2. 3, 2, 4, 2. Now, first thing I'm feeling like if my hand's going all over the place, rest, relax, relax hand. This is too fast, by the way. I'm giving you bad advice. Slow down. 3, 2, 4, 3. You can work on vibrato with every finger. Make it sound like music. Make it sound like music, you know. 3, 4, 1, 2. Watch that pinky, right? See that? That was better. Okay? Once you've exhausted all this, just make it music. These are just a way to move your fingers when you're warming up. It's an incredible warm-up. If you go through all of them, you're gonna be like, oh my God, my hand is so loose. Loosen, relax, and do every motion. Don't work that hard. Let those fingers just hover. Relax, relax, and vibrato. 3, 4. And you will free this finger.